Here's how to add website shortcut to iPhone home screen. Now, say for example, there is a particular website that you're constantly visiting and you want to be able to visit that by just a tap. Here's how to do it. Now, I'm going to go ahead and open Safari here and let's just go ahead and visit the site. So I'm going to click this one right here and let's go ahead and try to look for something. So I'm going to go ahead and open NASA, for example. I'm going to go ahead and open their site. All right, there you go. Now that I have opened their site, what I'm going to do is just tap on this one right here in the middle. I'm going to go ahead and basically click that over there. And then we're going to go ahead and look for add to home screen button. So I'm going to click that. And then you're going to go ahead and try to check. So you can go ahead and edit this one if you want to. And I'm going to go ahead and tap the add there. So after doing so, you should be able to see it just like so, as if it is a normal app. So when you are going to click that, I'm going to go ahead and close this for now. I'm going to go ahead and click that. It's just going to redirect me to that particular website that I have set it to. And yep, just like an app, right? And that, everybody, is how you are going to add website shortcut to iPhone home screen.